Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by changing what goes into the dough so the final cookie is gentler on digestion and environment. Use mashed avocado or applesauce to reduce saturated fat. This keeps moisture while cutting calories. Once mixed, fold in whole grain or gluten-free flour to add fiber and reduce refined carbs. Make sure to reduce granulated sugar by about 25% and swap to coconut sugar for a lower glycemic impact, because small ingredient swaps change texture and health profile together. You move on to technique, which determines texture and how kind a cookie feels when eaten. Mix wet ingredients briefly to avoid excess air that dries the crumb. Once blended, add dry ingredients with slow folds to preserve tenderness. Chill the dough for 30 to 60 minutes so kinder fats solidify and cookies hold shape. When baking, use 175 degrees 180 degrees and watch closely. Removing slightly underbaked yields a softer, more digestible cookie because you finish by setting and storing cookies to preserve their kinder qualities. Let them cool on a wire rack for about 10 minutes so structure sets and excess grease evaporates. This improves mouthfeel and shelf life. Store in an airtight container with a slice of apple to maintain gentle moisture without added sugar. If your cookies turn out crumbly, add 1 tablespoon of milk or oil per cup of dough next time. This binds the crumb and restores tenderness, solving the most common problem quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.